Okay, Jenny. Okay.
Yay! Okay, I
저기
love it.
이따가 제 와이프한테 전화 한 번만 해주세요.
Mamaya, please call yung asawa ko.
못한 나고.
Hindi ako sa Korea.
Yes, I think everybody will love it here. Wow. Binenta talaga, no? Okay, so yes, we saw earlier some exclusive behind-the-scenes clips. So actually, kung napansin nyo, meron ding dalawa pang products doon na i-highlight and later on, mapapanood natin yung TVCs na yon. So 2 more products. So I want to highlight on one of them, yung Cafe Macchiato, which is, of course,
Cafe Macchiato.
oh, diba? Can you say that again?
Cafe Macchiato.
Wow! Lahat na lang, no? But
Masarap po.
for this product, I want to know personally why you love Cafe Macchiato.
일단 너무 맛있고요. 그리고
Unang-una, masarap.
마살라.
Masarap.
마살라. What is the
Masarap.
difference between 마살라, 마살라포?
Masarap po is like how you say it politely. Ah!
마살라포. Yeah, masala because masalapo.
Yes! I love that. Okay, masarap mukha nga naman. Okay. Ay, grabe kayo. Okay, o sige. And of course, hi! Diba, ang cafe